This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis, and we're doing ES price action levels for weekend prep for the week of December 11th, 2023. Daily affirmation. I see it and understand rigid discipline and rules. Flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And what I've got here is after Friday, December 8th, I looked at the past 3 weeks and weekly candles on the left. We've got the Nasdaq, middle ES, and King Dollar on the right. So let's examine this and look at some levels. So let's start with the Nasdaq. So of course, last Friday was non-farm payroll, and you can see here on the Nasdaq, first of all, we've got a discount wick here. This candle wick goes all the way down to 15,922 and change, and we closed higher on the body than we did the prior to, but my point here is lower high overall than the prior 2 weeks and lower low. Yes, the body of the candles stole the show with the narrative higher close in the last 3 weeks, but price action to me showing a willingness to go down so low on this discount wick is interesting, because then we go over to the middle chart on the ES, higher lows the last 3 weeks, higher highs last 3 weeks with the higher close, and a very small volume imbalance here between the body of the candle body on the second week to the candle body low on just the previous week we just ended last Friday. So what this tells me is this is stronger than the Nasdaq, number one, but number two, we're seeing the same green on 3 weeks with higher candle body closes. Now, the right, totally what should be non-correlated, where we would have a black candle, we have a green candle, and we have a total swing low. So prior 2 weeks ago, look at this low on the dollar, 102.48. Look at the close of last Friday, 103.97. So right away, when you see on the past Friday, we've got contract rollover on futures. And by the way, these are March 2024 futures contracts on the left, both on the Nasdaq and the ES. On the right, on the King Dollar, though, you've got a green candle, a very big green candle, highest candle close as far as the body goes, and we wicked out on a premium wick also at 104.256 and a much higher low than 2 weeks ago. So again, this swing low here to me looks very bullish, but why did we have basically correlation on the equity indices? So right away somebody's lying, and I'm going to trust the dollar as long as the dollar can stay on this bullish path here. I think we are looking for a retrace lower on the equity indices, and the Nasdaq's foretelling that potential with this big wick. On the weekend, I keep it simple because you still got to look at how Monday opens on the new week open gap, but it's always good to look at high time frame, and this is why I've done a weekly candle analysis. So that's all I got. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll be making an update video. Will be coming forth on Monday. Aloha and take care. Bye.